Kia ora, and welcome to Green Camp New Zealand, nestled in the breathtaking landscape of Taranaki. Here, adventure, learning, and a deep connection with nature converge to create an unforgettable experience. At Green Camp New Zealand, we celebrate curiosity, creativity, and sustainability. Our inspiring activities are designed to deepen your bond with the environment, foster lasting friendships, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Imagine cooking over an open campfire, embarking on guided nature walks through lush forests, and staying in eco-friendly accommodations that harmonise with the natural world. As night falls, gaze up at the starlit sky. Our dedicated camp facilitators are here to guide you through this journey, ensuring a safe, educational, cultural, and exhilarating experience for all adventurers. Are you ready to embark on this adventure? Join us at Green Camp New Zealand, where the spirit of exploration meets the heart of nature.